They say that you're the product of the 3 or so people that you spend the majority of your time with. So let's see, that would be my incredibly passionate, empathetic, and motivating partner, Anna. Sansa, who is just a living, breathing version of my whole heart and soul. Then that leaves room for one more person. So I was actually having this conversation with Anna, and I was struggling trying to figure out who that third person would be that I spend the most time with. I'm really like an incredibly introverted human being that doesn't spend a lot of time with other people in general. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized that there is someone who I've spent pretty much every single day with the past year or so. The time I spend with this person may not be physically within the same room. This person is in my ears as I walk my dog every single morning. It's on my TV screen as I start my day eating breakfast every single morning. So that person is Matt D'Avella. And if you don't know who Matt D'Avella is, you probably should. He's the director of Minimalism, a Netflix documentary that's guaranteed to change your views on consumption, the creator of the Ground Up Show podcast that is the perfect medicine for any creator of any medium working through their own endeavors, and produces the most meaningful content you'll ever come across in the world of YouTube. So this week, while I was struggling to come up with a topic of what this week's YouTube video would be, scrolling through my running list of potential YouTube ideas, nothing was really inspiring me or motivating me to get started. I texted Anna, I just can't figure out my next topic. It's so stressful. Poor Anna has to deal with my trivial self-loathing constantly. I love you, Anna. But I had my laptop open to my YouTube Creator Studio homepage, looked down to the bottom right, and under recent subscribers, there it was. Matt D'Avella had subscribed to my YouTube channel. I first ran to the bathroom to quick check to make sure I didn't crap in my underwear. And then once the initial excitement faded to a level where I could breathe again, I had a realization. I texted Anna back immediately. I know what my next topic is. I have never once thanked Matt. This past year, Matt D'Avella has drastically positively influenced my life. He helped me get rid of all my lurking credit card debt. He made me feel not embarrassed to enjoy self-improvement style content even though others might write it off as being corny. He helped me stick to new habits by implementing his 2-day rule into my life. He's pushed me to give you all nothing but the best quality and most honest videos I can possibly give you every single week. He's helped me declutter my life and my mind to regain focus on the things that matter most to me. And above all, when I feel alone in my creative struggles, he's always there to remind me that I'm never alone. Now, at the risk of sounding like a serial killer, I would sit here and tell you that I would consider Matt D'Avella to be one of my best friends, even though he's just recently learned of my existence a couple of days ago. But I will admit, Matt, that I have been a shitty best friend to you, because even a couple weeks ago after I put out a video about the anxiety of sharing your work and how you should be supportive of your fellow creators and friends, I have never openly and outwardly supported and thanked Matt for all that he does. Honestly, that's pretty messed up of me. Now I know Matt has over 2.5 million subscribers, needs no validation or thank yous from me, but as a growing creator and someone who is looking to give in the way that Matt does, I know how much I appreciate it when someone reaches out just to say thank you. Until you do it yourself, you really can't even begin to fathom how much work goes into making these videos every single week. But I know my goal here with this channel is to impact one single human being in this world the way that Matt has impacted me. So just a simple thank you sometimes really does remind me why I'm continuing to do this. Matt has not only created a YouTube channel I can't get enough of, but has provided me invaluable lessons through his podcast and his featured documentary. And selfishly, I never want him to stop creating. Matt gives so much every single day and expects nothing in return, and truly is one of my biggest heroes and inspirations in this world. So Matt, this is my formal apology for not thanking you sooner. You truly have changed my life for the better, and I will always be tremendously grateful for all of your hard work. So thank you, Matt. And for anyone, for some reason, who is still watching this video, who is not Matt, you owe Matt a thank you as well, because Matt was a huge inspiration for this channel and a lot of the reason why I'm still going today. So make sure you thank him. Make sure you thank your heroes. You never know what they're going through and you never know if they're feeling underappreciated or whatever it may be. So yeah, and thank you. I love you. Bye. It's gonna be pretty silly if Matt never watches this video, or if he watches it and doesn't say anything because he thinks it's kind of weird, but I don't know.